Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the password of My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the photos. After that, tap on the My Eyes Only option. Now, select the Options button. After that, select the Change Passcode. Now, enter your current passcode. After that, create a new password for yourself. And now, enter your new password again. Agree to the policy and then select the Continue button. After that, tap on the Finish button and you are done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.